In this video we're going to take a look at how to download and install IGTV on an Android device. First, if you haven't done so, please subscribe for more awesome tutorials and let's get stuck into it. So we've opened up the Android Play Store and we're going to do a search for IGTV. So the one at the top there, and we're going to click on that. And now we're going to click on the install button. And we're just going to wait for this to download. So it's just over 40 megabytes, so make sure you have enough space on your mobile phone, otherwise you're not going to be able to install it. Okay, the last thing to do is click open and you're all set.